The biggest mistake hikers make with sun protection, it's not forgetting sunscreen. It's thinking the sun isn't the real threat.
Hi, this is Bev from Adventure Seeking, and here's another episode of the lie about the 10 essentials.
Yeah, so this trip is going to be handheld because every tripod I've used the last week has busted on me. So if you can find a Bev-proof tripod, please let me know. I have one of these old school ones that you can change the legs to everywhere. I think it's called Gobi. I have to switch to that and have a lot of ground shots or ones that are wrapped around trees, because I'm just not good at. Look at what happened to this one. Busted. Really, just busted. And then I busted another handheld that I got from the Five Below store. Well, go figure. Just this morning. So it's been hard to actually film this one. Sun exposure doesn't feel dangerous. You don't notice it creeping up on you. It starts with a little heat, a little dehydration, maybe a headache. And then suddenly, your energy's gone and you feel like a raisin. Your decision making is off, your hike turns into survival mode, and that's the lie. We're going to find a place where I can set up my new Thurston, the One Plus Dome tent. And I haven't found any place yet, but I'm also just trying to get some mileage down. I did find some camp spots. But I also wanted to find a place where somebody won't get in the way of my filming. Check this out. This little gully. Oh, there is some water. Puddle. X Dome 1 Plus. Dan, what have you done? Oh, it's sticking of itself. Got it. Okay, let's talk turkey. First, I gotta go get you. Sun protection isn't about comfort. It's about staying functional. Most people think sun protection means sunscreen, and that's the whole plan. But sunscreen alone won't save you, because the real problem isn't your skin burning. It's your body overheating. It's dehydration, fatigue. And once that starts, it stacks fast. I have learned firsthand your best sun protection isn't sunscreen. It's what you wear. Light long sleeves. That's why I have a sun hoodie on today. A hat that actually shades your face. I even wear pants to cover my legs. Because once you're sweating off your sunscreen, you just can't sweat off your clothes. It's always working. Sunscreen still matters, but most people mess this up. They apply it once at the trailhead and they call it good. But if you're out for hours, you've got to reapply, especially your face, neck, and hands. Here's the part most people don't connect. The more sun exposure you get, the more water your body needs. That's why sun protection and water go hand in hand. You can't talk about one without the other. Best hikers don't just react to the sun, they plan around it. I bought a tent. Start early, take breaks, and know when to slow down. That's real sun protection. I've had hikes where I underestimated the sun, and it drained me faster than anything else out there. Not the distance, not the elevation, the sun. And once you're behind on hydration, it's really hard to catch up. This used to happen to me. Turns out I wasn't replacing my electrolytes. That's where LMNT Electrolyte drink mix comes in. No sugar, no junk, just what your body actually needs. Sodium, potassium, and magnesium. I tried LMNT when I was a half marathoner, and I was amazed that I didn't lose focus, I kept my legs from cramping, and didn't feel thirsty the whole 2.5 hours I was running on hot pavement. Game changer. Now I bring this on every hike and drink at least one the days that I fast at home. Yeah, it's usually the chocolate one. If you want to feel the difference too, check out my link below and try it for yourself. You'll get one free sample pack of their most popular flavors, and I'll get one too. No monetary gain, just drink mix, which is awesome. Trust me, your next hike will thank you. And that's it. That's the 10 essentials. If you've been following this series, you've already known the truth. The essentials themselves are not the answer. It's knowing how and when to use them. That's what actually keeps you safe out here. You don't need to carry everything perfectly. You just need to understand what matters before it matters. Remember to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button so I know that you enjoy this sort of content. It's spring now in New Hampshire, and I'm looking forward to getting out and hitting the trail, especially backpacking. In the next episode, we'll explore a way to travel without breaking the bank. It's definitely my cheat code to keep my bank account intact. And if you want to explore more of the 10 essentials, click on this link right here and you can catch up on the series. Until next time, see you on the trail.